These delicious meatballs with rice go perfectly with mashed potatoes, buckwheat, or even more rice. You can find all the ingredients and a detailed recipe in the video description below. Hi everyone, I'm happy to see you on my channel. Let's start by chopping the vegetables. I am cutting the onion into small cubes. And grate the carrot using a coarse grater. It's faster and easier that way. Next, I prepare the ground meat. Unfortunately, that part of the video didn't get saved. I added some spices and the raw rice to the meat mixture. Then we shape the meatballs. Mine are quite big, but feel free to make them smaller if you like. Make sure to press them firmly to remove an extra air inside. Now we need to fry them in a preheated pan. Keep the heat medium or slightly higher. Brown the meatballs on all sides until golden, then transfer them to a pot. Next step, let's make the vegetable sauté. Add some oil to the pan and start with the onion. Sauté until it's softened. Then add the carrot and cook until done. Once the vegetables are ready, add some garlic and stir. After a couple of minutes, add plain tomato paste and a bit of water. Simmer it all on low heat for a few minutes and the sauté is done. Now add the sauté to the pot with the meatballs, along with some extra water, just enough to full cover the meatballs. Cover the pot halfway with a lid and let it simmer on low heat. After about 30 minutes, I add the spices: bay leaf, pepper, salt, and paprika. Give it a stir, cover partially again, and simmer for another 30 minutes. If the liquid gets too low, just add a bit more water. Don't forget to skim off any foam from the surface. At the end, I add some dried dill and turn off the heat. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and let me know how you liked the dish.